So when you see this kind of three parts, so we will see the majority of load balancing and things are done by the blockchain node. So they're node. So ZK EVM nodes. So these nodes are also decentralized. They are in Germany, they're in US, they're in China, they're in Argentina. So these nodes are everywhere. It's exactly the same copy because that is called blockchain node, right? So they are being accessed by user in Argentina, in Germany, Australia through servers everywhere.
Which already serves as the decentralized CDN in the old approach.
Yes, you summarize this in a very good way. Before that, when you are hosting a web server, you're thinking about using a CDN to let users access your web servers like in a faster way, right? So the key difference here is these nodes, they're everywhere. They are just a blockchain is just simply a database. So this database with the codes, the execution code, which is called AKA smart contract inside of this kind of thing is everywhere, right? Smart contract with the database is actually everywhere. So you can access to them in a very fast way if the nodes are everywhere, right? And the nodes are hosted by Major Dom and Vitalik or the other people, right? Not hosted by Zalando or Google or some other companies. They have access to change the content because that's another part of the blockchain. I think it's not out of today's topic. The consensus protocol like POS, POW, who can write the node, right? But here it's very easy to understand that the web server admin, there is an administrator with his password. He can read and write and delete your account and remove your access, right? So we trust this kind of thing. There's no problem. Like we trust Kraken, we trust OKX, no problem. We trust Uber. They won't remove my funds.
We trust FTX.
We trust FTX. They won't use my funds to do something. But here is a consensus protocol protecting it. Major Dom has a copy. I have a copy. Vitalik has a copy. And then
we only change the state if everyone says, okay, it can be changed. We reach a consensus.
And then users just need to focus on building. First of all, I would write it here. They're using, first of all, smart contract, right? So if you want to build something like Blueberry or Uniswap, first of all, you need to build a smart contract. Secondly, you need to build a front end, right? So easy as it is. Two things, smart contract, front end.